everyone, if your IDM extension isn't showing in Google Chrome, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it. So first open up a new Chrome window, then click on the puzzle icon right here and select Manage Extensions. Now once you're here, ensure developer mode is turned on. This is very critical. Then on your PC, head over to this PC and open local disk. We're going to access the IDM installation directory. So head over to Program Files 86, then open up Internet Download Manager. And once you're here, look for the following: IDM GCEX3.crx. And here you can see it. Minimize this tab, then click and drag the file to Chrome extensions. And once you do that, you see this prompt, select Add Extension. And now you see that the extension has been added to Google Chrome. If you click on the puzzle icon now, you see it here, pin it to make it easily accessible. And that's all for today's video. That's how you restore the IDM extension in Google Chrome. I hope it helped you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, share, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.